Great, I'll say great. The 5 great hockey players in India, in Karnataka was one of them, was there. Now, read this. But then he got into a habit of drinking. He became egoistic, blah, blah. Then he went through losses, right? And his father was a noble, as my grandfather's, my mother's father. Such a noble person, nothing there. So long the father continued being loving, the son went on exploiting the father. He went on giving to him whatever he had. From one petrol bunk to another petrol bunk, still he went on doing this. The moment he died, my grandfather died, absolutely he became normal. In all his tantrums and rackets, he became normal. There's nobody to exploit. Pause for a moment. What was in my grandfather's energy field which the son went on exploiting? Pause. What is in your energy field, your husband, your wife, your children, your friends, your students exploit? Be aware of this. Come back to Mahabharata. Dhritarashtra, all of you say Dhritarashtra? Right? The blind person who is the king now, Hastinapur, the father of the Kauravas. I'm saying this because 5% of you may not still be familiar with the names. So Dhritarashtra, Duryodhana went on exploiting his father's kind of softness. Yes or no? So go back now. See here. Right? So Duryodhana, the son, went on. And there's a time in the Mahabharata when he had poisoned Bhima. Duryodhana had poisoned Bhima in his young age, he poisoned, and his Bhishma, the grandsire, took a strong stand. That time, right, Dhritarashtra became softened and automatically Duryodhana fell in his place. Then they had to go to the Gurukula and study. But very manipulative, the father, Dhritarashtra, saw that the Bhishma gets committed to him. He used Bhishma's goodness and said, you should never leave us. Or else he was willing to fight a war itself. Now, so Duryodhana very wittily, cunningly exploited his father's, whatever that energy field is. You give any name to it. Now look at this now. Karna, such a noble person. Alright? Duryodhana was very good in exploiting Karna's energy field. Yes or no? He did something good as a barter to get something more. And such a noble character like Karna you will not find. But at the end, Krishna tells Arjuna, you are responsible, one of the main persons for the war, he says. We'll come to it later on as we build up the Mahabharata there. But Karna, such a noble person, when Krishna told Karna at the end, right, you are Kaunteya, you are the son of Kunti, you are the eldest brother of the Pandavas, don't do this. Then he tells Krishna, why should you tell now when I've already committed to Duryodhana? And then he took a request from Krishna. Don't tell this to the Pandavas. If you tell the Pandavas, they will stop their fight and Duryodhana will take over. This will win. I want good people to take over. Even though he was with the Kauravas, he loved goodness. But such a powerful person like Karna, Duryodhana exploited his energy field. Yes or no, sir? Be sensitive towards that. Right. Now, go back now. Drona and Ashwatthama. See, all this Mahabharata, you can find the conflicting situation. Their body was with the Kauravas, but heart was with the Pandavas. For Bhishma, for Drona. Now, I want you to be sensitive. Our lives also like that. It is like this. Somewhere you are there, your heart is somewhere there. And you need to address that. When we'll address this, when the Gita comes, we'll address this now. Now, please see Dronacharya, our stage comes, let us walk out now. Enough of it. When Bhishma is about to die, will this is, and Ashwatthama went on exploiting the goodness of his father. Yes, read it or not? So therefore, he did this. Same thing, Drona did it with Ekalavya. Drona did it with Ekalavya, etc. Will stop now, because if I go, then it will become full academics of Mahabharata. I want only as a concept, then you do the homework. How each one is using their energy field. Yes or no? Now ask your question yourself. Is somebody exploiting you or using you? Using you is good. Be used. Please use it. But exploiting you, you should be alert not to allow others to exploit you. You should allow others to use you. Then only you are useful. As Bernard Shaw said, I am like a candle. I want both ends to be used, he said. Alright, now you, all of us should be aware there's an energy field somebody can exploit us. Never allow this. It can be your husband, it can be your wife, it can be your guru, it can be a shishya, it can be your son-in-law, it can be your daughter-in-law. Don't allow others to exploit your energy field.